tune that you and me can fall in love.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dog Mantras, Common Canine Misbehavior, and today we are talking about stealing and destructive behavior in the house.
I just wanted to make a tune that you and me can fall in love today. I would hope that you and me both would like to throw a
So you remember the last two videos we've been shooting and we've been filming that of a particular case of 3 dogs and 1 human in the house. Now this is about the third topic that we shot in that same household. So this is about stealing food, this is about destroying things in the house. Now out of all the 3 dogs, there was this big guy, the big guy in the house, the black and tan Laddu. He is the most naughtiest one. He has stolen Tetra packs, he has stolen Kokum syrups, bottles, he has stolen and broken a lot of things. He has stolen boxes of jalebis, and I've also been told, and guys, do not get worried about this, but the dog kind of actually stole a little bit of drinks during one of the weekend nights, and he didn't go for all of it, but he kind of licked it, which might look funny to some of y'all, which might look a little worrisome to some of y'all, but it's actually dangerous. It's actually very dangerous. So we have to kind of tone this down. We have to kind of understand things, that how we're going to suppress it. But suppression would only lead to that you know, a very temporary fix. It's not that we have to suppress it and then it's done. Okay, you've done it once or twice and it's done. No, but when you ask the dog to kind of surrender to one activity in the house, and you know, be respectful of all the objects on the ground, or food that's on the ground or on the table, you also have to kind of teach the dog or fulfill the dog for him to kind of release out that energy. A lot of time dogs do destruction in the house, or a lot of time dogs steal food is because they don't have a job in the house, right? So only suppressing the behavior is not going to help you out. It's just going to help you out temporarily, but you have to kind of go down the roots and kind of set back your relationship that looks a little broken, where there's no trust and respect, because you are not able to fulfill the dog completely. So now what we did is, we got again the same plate, we put the same bread inside it, and I was kind of trying to put it on the ground. First thing for us to understand, to prevent all this destructive behavior and stealing of food, is that we have to teach him to be respectful of the food. Okay, so come on. So I'll just lure him up a little bit. Come here. Come here. Yes. Come on here. Abhi, he's got a little excited because his mom went in the room. So come here. Come on here. Come on. Come on. Relax. Hey. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Relax. So what I'm doing is, I'm asking him to be a little respectful of that plate and that food. मैंने उसको कुछ नहीं किया. It's just, and because him being a very, see, that gets super excited and aroused. Right? Now he's still alert and this and ready to kind of get on it, but the biggest thing with him is that he is very sensitive. तो उसका response time बहुत बढ़िया है. So when when I just move in, like, that, and he moves. Relax. So he's not scared or anything. His response time to my energy is superb. Like, he's super submissive, he's super sensitive. So he kind of reverts immediately. Hey. Hey. Relax. Sit.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so of course, please do not attempt this at home, because once the dog has taken the food, you're not supposed to actually go and remove it. Now I know this guy, I know he's not going to bite me back, but that is what happens in resource guarding. Once you give in food, especially food, okay, not an object के साथ तो भी एक time चलो ठीक है. Food is very, 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 very tempting for them, especially if the dog gets into resource guarding. He is into resource guarding, but not at a very high intensity, especially not at all with me. वो मेरे को उस लेवल पे ट्रस्ट एंड रिस्पेक्ट करता है कि he doesn't go into that biting. So even if I was too close to him, he didn't go to bite me. But then I just took a little bit piece out of his mouth and just wanted to show कि, hey, relax. Good boy. So when he gives me that, hey, come here. He gives me that attention, I'm going to give him. I'm going to reward him. But not from that. So what that becomes is that is my food. That is my piece of food. So what I'm doing is, even though I've kept it in, see, that's respect. So he just moves back, right? And then I reward, come here. Then I reward that state of mind. Good boy. Understand the two words, overpowering and empowering. Don't overpower, empower. So that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to also gain a little bit of trust by calling him again close to me and then putting it down and just asking him not to go into a flight mode, but just go into avoidance and submission mode. So in such cases, most of the times you have to go through the right fulfillment formula. You have to provide the right exercise. You have to give the right set of rules, boundaries to the dogs. You have to give him the right limitations. You have to give him some job to do. So for example, if you have a destructive dog, figure out what he loves so much. Give him some sniffing activities, give him some treasure hunt activities, engage with your dog, practice a lot of stay, because even if you give a lot of board games and different types of engaging toys, the dog engages by himself. When you do a lot of stay activities indoors and outdoors, and at the door and at the elevator, at the ground, around people, you teach your dog to control impulses. That is how you build a relationship. When he's controlling impulse, that is the job he's doing. Okay. But anyway, in this case, right now, what I had to teach the owner is how to kind of claim the object. That was the start for the owner. So of course, the walk she has to do. She has to do the structured walks. She has to do the disciplining part in the house. But along with that, she has to kind of claim the object that's on the ground. So in the video, you can see that so the dog, we actually put up a plate on the dining table, and we all left, and we wanted to see what he does, and he did exactly the same thing that we thought. He climbed on it, he picked up the bread, and he went away. That's typical, right? There was also a Tetra Pak bottle that we had kept, but of course there was nothing. I mean, there was nothing in the Tetra Pak box, so he didn't go for it. But that box was destroyed by him only, like I think a couple of hours back. Yeah. So now, when I have done it, I have got him to settle down, but I wanted the owner to do it, because that's where the problem lied. You know, with me, the dog is absolutely fantastic, but with the owner, he doesn't give a lot of damn about it. See, wait. You come on. Drop it. Drop this, because ये डालोगे तो फिर हो जाएगा. Just walk and drop. See, what happens is, just because he trusts her, but he doesn't give that amount of respect to her. Suppose if I have to drop a piece of food and I'm simply walking disengaged and I drop it, he has to kind of give that sit. I'm not going to let him run away. I'm just going to block him. Sit. He'll go back. So like I said, waiting and patience. I don't want to over intimidate him. I'm just blocking him. ज़्यादा कर दूंगा तो he'll lose trust in me. Yes, that's it. And then I'm going to reward that. Good boy. So then he learns to ignore what is on the ground. That is how you're going to. Resource guarding लोगों को लगता है कि जाओ जाके उसको dog को खींचो पकड़ो मारो or things like that. But that is not how you're going to teach him to get out of resource guarding. You have to teach him to respect what's on the ground. So if sit. Good boy. So he'll only get it from me, but he'll not get it when it's on the ground. Hey, okay. That was like a challenge level 101, but again I'll do it. Hey, relax. Hey. See how he's giving me attention, because I gave him food, so he trusts me, he respects me not to go there. Okay. Good boy. Right. So then you can reward him, and then you can take the object away. Right.
Don't tell me. वो नहीं होगा.
परी के साथ कैसे किया?
ये खाना है.
और मजा है. Drop it first here. I'll back off, because मेरी energy फिर influence मेरे को नहीं influence करना. You just know what you have to do. Just drop there. Yes, back off. एंड ये एक पीस रखना उसको रिवॉर्ड करने के लिए व्हेन ही जस्ट स्टॉप्स हियर। छोटा सा टुकड़ा देना इसमें से। आस्क हिम टू सिट।
Sit down.
बस दैट्स इट, जो परी के लिए किया था सेम, बस यस एंड बैक ऑफ, वन स्टेप बैक, दैट्स गुड बॉय, गुड आई कॉन्टैक्ट एंड यू गिव द फूड, राइट? सो नाउ द पीस ऑफ फूड इज जस्ट गोना फ्लाई फ्रॉम समवेयर। स्टॉप हिम गो। यस, सी दिस टाइम ही डिडंट इवन गो बिकॉज उसके साथ 3-4 बार कुछ हुआ रे। टर्न फॉलो थ्रू खत्म करो, मेक हिम सिट, मूव, स्टे, that's it, stay right there, he'll sit, stay right there, block and stay, that's it, good boy, walk up, back off. Now take eye contact, call him,
Junior.
give, nice, good boy. So now the same thing I taught her, ki let's put the food on the ground, and she has to say no, but that no is not just a physical no. It comes from her mind. Her energy, body language has to be that way. She has to be a little bit firm about it. She shouldn't yell at him. She shouldn't shout at him.
I just wanted to make a tune that you and me can fall in love today. I would hope that you and
So when you yell, when you get frustrated, you're just influencing the dog negatively. But when you just come and firmly kind of assert that no, and it's just a firm, particular, clear no, where it comes from a calm, confident point of view, it becomes easier for the dog to understand. But this is how you set, you kind of take one step further on kind of reducing the stealing behavior. Along with that, like I said, you have to fulfill the dog with the right exercise, right disciplining, right guidance, direction, motivation, and you're gonna have a very beautiful, balanced dog. So guys, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and like our video, comment down your views below, and share this video for whoever wants to see this, for whoever needs this, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Stay tuned for more. Take care all of you. Thank you for watching.
I just wanted to make a tune that you and me can fall in love today.
ठीक है, बाल बिल ठीक है? ठीक है, पेट भी अंदर है। एक सेकंड।